So this is how the organizations transform from projectized to functional. In about 20 years' time, the organizations are no more good to do any efficient project. Now what this chart is showing is actually what happens to the authority of a project manager in this. For example, if you see over project manager's authority, in a functional organization, he has little or none. Weak matrix, limited. Balanced matrix, low to moderate. Strong matrix, moderate to high. And projectized, high to almost total. Right? Overall, all of these are different indicators. Common titles for project managers in different organizations. In a functional organization is project coordinator / project leader. Weak matrix, project coordinator, project leader. Balanced matrix, project manager, project officer. Strong matrix, project manager, project program manager. And projectized is project manager / program manager. So it all relates to what's a kind of authority that the project manager enjoys to undertake a project. Unless you give full authority to project manager in an organization, you will never be able to get good results in it. If you want to do projects well, you must give authority to project manager to execute the work. And if he doesn't have, he'll not be able to finish the project in time, and he'll not be able to finish the project in cost. Okay? So that's it. Now what we have to do is we have to do 2 makeup classes. When do we have to do those 2 makeup classes? That's an issue now. Should we wait for the other people to come in and then do that?
Yes,
So 19th के बाद फिर हम मेकअप क्लासेस करें. मिड टर्म कब है यार? मिड टर्म को 1 हफ्ता आगे ना करा लें इनसे. कब है यार मिड टर्म? कब कौन सा वीक है? कभी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ. चलें ठीक है, मेकअप क्लासेस हम 19th के बाद ही करेंगे, so that everybody joins it. ठीक हो गया? Good luck.